Dear Dodix, we wanna say to you that we are strong enough to live without you. I don't need your sympathy. There's nothing you can say or do for me, and I don't want a miracle. You'll never change for no one. I hear your reasons why. Where did you sleep last night? And was she worth it? Was she worth it? Was I strong enough to live without you? Strong enough, and I quit crying long enough. I'm strong enough to know that you gotta go. There's no more to say, so say your prayers and walk away. No matter what I hear you say, I'm strong enough to know that you